Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then, surprisingly, we do not have to scroll down to find build number. We have to simply tap on this Nothing OS. And as you can see right here, we've got the build number, and all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, we've got it. Be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So just enter it and confirm. And now we can go back to the general list of the settings and scroll to find the system. Here we have to scroll and find developer options and tap on it. And of course, here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable USB audio routing. Here we can change transition animation scale. We can show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to the specific option, and your device will immediately apply it. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back, you can see that the developer options simply disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.